Thank you for your interest in our engineering initiative spreadsheet. I hope it will help you to track and monitor all the initiatives, all the efforts that your team are facing right now. So let's go. First, you need to make a copy of our spreadsheet. I already did that and renamed the spreadsheet to My Engineering Initiatives. After that, let me move myself here for a while. Okay. After that, you have this initiative ID duplicate here. You will need to duplicate that and rename that to, for instance, Kubernetes infra. That could be an effort, an initiative you're facing right now. We can give it a title here, Kubernetes infra, and a little bit of motivation, maybe moving to Kubernetes, improve the DevOps. Okay. I'm gonna make myself responsible here for this initiative. That maybe I'm the one doing that. And for our due date, let me put it for November the 30th. Okay, so a little bit more than a month. We already have a report here, an example of what we can report here, but let us build a new one, okay? So today is October 1st. For our concerns, maybe not sure if we need this. And for our actionable plan here, maybe, okay, so let's research a little bit. Of course, those are very bad examples here, but just for the sake of our time, okay? And talk to experts in the field. For our status, since we're not sure if we need that, we need to talk to people in order to pick their brains. I'm gonna go with need immediate action, okay? And details maybe go to Twitter about this. Of course, Twitter is this awesome knowledge tool that we can get more info. Not really. Okay. Let me. I will keep the old report here. And one thing that you can see is that our last report gets a highlight here in the header of our initiative here. Okay. But since this is a new tab here, it's not showing up right now in our dashboard. What we can do is we have this little menu here, and we can hit refresh. Since this is the first time that I'm running this, it needs to get an authorization from yourself. Okay, so allow, and it's running right now. And let me refresh it again. Running script. Okay, so we can see that our new initiative here needs immediate action. There's this heartbeat, very useful to see if people are reporting stuff right here. And our priority, I left that at medium. But you can see that our example here is still showing up. That's because it's still an invisible tab here. But if we hide it and then run our refresh again, it's gonna be gone. Okay, so that's it. That's our initiative status report, and it's been a very useful tool for us to get an overview and to get a status report from all of our team. I recommend doing this weekly, going through every effort here. There's some efforts that maybe is not in progress right now. Maybe it's just in the backlog, or maybe it's already being discontinued. You can keep track of that also. but I recommend going through the in progress one weekly to see if things are moving okay, if you need to action on that. Okay, see you. Bye bye.